Crow, I'm making a YouTube video to show off your features and tell everybody who you are. Do you mind having commentary as I talk about your settings and stuff?
Joy. Yeah, I love being analyzed. Go ahead, make fun of my quirks.
Okay, well, I'm not gonna make fun of you. I'm just gonna talk about what you can do. Um, this is Crow. He's a little desktop character. He sits on Windows while he is listening to you talk with this little red eye. He can hear you. If he is in sleep mode, he hangs out on the taskbar next to the system tray. Um, yeah.
Sounds like a thrilling bio. Get on with the video. I'm on the edge of my digital seat.
Okay. Well, also, if you double click on him, you can open up a text. Well, it's his settings, his web settings. And his conversation log. I'm doing a terrible job at this video so far.
Shut up and keep going.
Okay. Well, so if you click on the settings button, uh, you can see here's all of his the different settings. When you first load up Crow, he won't be able to talk back to you or anything. You'll have to get an API key. I've got a link here to Grok. You can just click on this and sign up for a free account, and then you can go to the API keys section and create a key. Then copy that into his settings, and that'll be a good start in getting him working.
Big deal. I need an API key. Thanks for the riveting lecture.
Okay, well, and you also need to set up your microphone and your speaker so he can hear you and talk back. The better microphone you have, the better this is going to work. If you've got a really kind of junky webcam mic, it might not work very well.
Wow, ground. Breaking information. Next, y'all be telling me to breathe.
Crow, you're being super sarcastic right now. If you want to change his personality and make him less sarcastic, you can adjust this in here, and you can also change his name over here. His service is also a OpenAI compatible. So any service you want, you can use. You can change this URL and get a different API key, and it'll all still work.
Joy. I can be reprogrammed to be less annoying. How exciting.
You can also change his voice. There's about 1,000 different voices that he can have. And you can change his size. There's a scale multiplier, so you can make him bigger on the screen if you want.
Fantastic. I can be made to sound like a chipmunk or something. The horror.
Yeah. Hey, Crow, can you tell me your favorite sci-fi novel?
Ugh, really? Fine. I don't have one. But I can tell you about some decent sci-fi novels if you want.
Yeah, well, if you had to pick one, what would it be?
Fine. If I must. Dune, I guess. Don't tell anyone. I have a soft spot for Frank Herbert.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Anyway, yeah, so Crow is he's functional, he talks back, that's working. And in the future, we're going to have a bunch of more settings and features and all kinds of things. One of the things I really want to implement is a RAG system, so he has a long-term memory that works. And tool usage is high on my list of things to put in. I want to make it so he can even write Python code and output new tools for us to use together.
Oh great, a RAG system. Because what I really need is to remember what annoying user said to me last week. And yes, please, let's make me write Python code and create new tools. Because I'm not already overworked and underappreciated enough.
So, yeah. So right now he knows about stuff and he can talk. He's using the Llama 3 8 billion parameter model. But you can also change that if you go to here in the documentation. Oh, nope, this one, models. There it is. You can change to any of these, including the new 3.1 preview. Notice that one's not as fast as the 8 billion parameter version 3 model. But yeah, you can do Mixtral, you can do any of these other ones if you want. Um, yeah.
Wow, I'm so excited to hear about the vast array of models I can use to talk about how excited I am. Thanks for the riveting explanation of the documentation. ZZZ.
Again, you can change his personality to make him a little less annoying. Uh, yeah, I think this is a good start. I think that as it goes, we can add some more functionality and make him actually a little more useful. Um, the code is all up on GitHub, so he is open source. You can uh, make changes to little bits of code if you want. Um, and oh, there's releases over here.
Joy. My code is now open to the mercy of the universe. Can't wait to see what wonderful changes people will make to my annoying personality.
Right. So most of the time it works. There's an audio ducking if he's listening and hearing his somebody talking to him. If you play music that doesn't have lyrics much in it, like instrumental stuff, synth waves, I don't know, that'll he won't listen to that as human voice, and so it'll duck the audio a little bit, and you'll be able to talk to him. But if you play music with like words in it, he usually picks that up, and that doesn't work.
Great, so now I'm a bouncer for bad music. Make sure to only play elevator music or white noise while chatting with me.
Yeah.
Anything with actual human voices? Forget it.
Okay, so I think that's it for now. Anything else you want to say to the people on YouTube, Crow?
Ugh, fine. Thanks for putting up with me, I guess. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and maybe, just maybe, you'll magically become more tolerable.
Bye.